Fortunately, the biker noticed the driver and pushed the brakes. The same couldn't be said for the driver on the right.
You just ran the light. Look. Hey. Yep. See? I got the car wreck on video. I got the car wreck on.
He went. Oh!
Despite the fact that the driver had a lot of time to spot other road users, he drove right in front of them, blocking the road. Here is an example of sheer malice on the part of a man who intentionally blocks the passage.
Fica um pouquinho pra trás aí, né? Cara, isso aqui é a pista.
Não existe isso não, irmão.
Existe sim.
Não, senhor.
Pode chegar um pouquinho pra trás?
Espera o sinal abrir.
Tá bom. Obrigado, hein? Valeu.
This is a type of situation in which the biker decides to take revenge at the first opportunity.
What the heck, dude?
It's hard to understand the behavior of this driver, and it also looks like he doesn't care much about it.
Y'all good?
I mean, this is
This driver parked just for a moment to deliver his parcels.
yeah.
Also, guys, issue that. Get out the. You're actually. Geezer's got no idea that filtering is a thing.
When these bikers left the petrol station, they encountered a driver who used 2 lanes and was using the phone. One biker decided to signal the man to put the phone down, which the driver didn't like.
That's fine. Hey, you look real cool with your wing. Hey, you put a wing. Bro, you got a wing on a Hyundai. Nice tow hook. You got a wing on a Hyundai. You got plasti dip rims too. Plasti dip. You got plasti dip. You can't afford the real deal. Hey, where's the real wheels? You can't afford real wheels. Plasti dip. Plasti dip. Plasti dip. Say what's up. Oh, it's your son's car now. Oh, you drive a Corvette. Does your Corvette have a wing too? Oh yeah? You got a wing on it too, huh? You got a wing too, huh? Alright. Yep. Yeah. Yeah? Come on, motherfucker! Get out! Get out! Yeah. Yeah, let's go. You're still in your car. You eat it. Eat my. You got a wing on a Hyundai and you got plastic dip rims.
Thanks for watching till the end. I hope you've enjoyed it. See you soon in the next video. Ride safe.